Hi, this is Mike Pucciarelli. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make a digital frame where the color of the photograph is in the frame in some way. In the past, I just run actions. But suppose that I wanted to have a blue frame that matches sort of the color in the photograph. What I would do is use the eyedropper tool. See how the color changes here? I'd copy down the hex code because we're going to use this twice. And then pick another color you want to use. I'd copy down the hex code, but I've already done that. So we're going to be using two hex codes twice. For the 0.03, we're going to be using 989B9D. We do that twice. The other parts, we're going to be using 8D9BB1. So now I'm going to go to image, canvas size. I'm going to make sure I change the inches. And then that code I'm going to type in that code and make sure that the relative check is checked. I'm going to use the canvas 3 more times. I'm going to make sure I have inches. I'm going to use a different hex code. I'm going to use this hex code here twice and make sure that the relative is checked. I'm going to use the canvas size again. Make sure we have inches. I'm going to use that first hex code I used. Make sure that the relative is checked. Then I'm going to use it one last time, the image, canvas size. Make sure I'm using inches. This is the last part. I'm going to use that other hex code. I'm going to type in a hex code. I'm going to click OK. Make sure that the relative is checked. You have a nice, blue frame. And then if I want to size the image, I can put 300. This clip, I'm going to do 200. And I'm going to, make the longest side 4,000 or 3,000 or for what you want. And then you save it. And when you export it, you type in your name and you click save.